Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Alright, so I have received some more Happy Mail goodies, a package. I'm not good with words. But anyways, this one comes from my sweet friend Sierra over at the Cooley Craft Corner. Be sure and check her out. I noticed that we kind of have similarities in terms of like picking out fabrics and stuff. So I sent her some fabrics and she also sent me some fabric. Without further ado, and before I become more of a chatty Cathy, let's go ahead and open this guy up because I'm so excited. But me, I'm just gonna dig into it now because I am impatient. So alright, let's have us a look. Ooh, I can oh my goodness. It is a gritful, you guys. Ah, check it out. Beautiful. I like it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wait, we gotta find a card. Aha! Here we are. Am I in view? Yes, I am. Okay, she says, "Happy belated birthday, my beautiful friend. Excited for your patchwork journal and fellow boy mom and crafter, Sierra, Cooley Craft Corner." So we're both boy moms, and it's funny because we can relate on like a lot of things. So I think it's precious. Look, she sent me another one of these. Too cute. I recently used one of her little ruffles in my recent journals, but beautiful card. I love this. I love anything foiled. It's so pretty. And then she sent me some more of these cute little ruffles. Adorable. I hope she likes what I sent her, and I think she will. All right, next up, excuse me, she sent me a piece of this gorgeous patchwork stuff. I do have like little doilies and stuff, but I'm so scared to cut into all of them because they're honestly so beautiful and they're hard to come by. But check this out. Ooh, so pretty. So we got a couple of pieces that I can work with here. I love it. Beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Cute. So we've got roses. Purple lilac roses, adorable, and I like that the greens are kind of bright. Ooh, check this one out. Gorgeous. I think I might use this one for my I'm gonna work on a Hispanic journal soon enough, and I think this would be great for it because I think it gives that vibe. It gives me that vibe. And then here we have this super delicate, adorable little blue. I love it. Oh, look at this one. It's very sheer. This is going to be a lot of fun to work with. Oh my goodness, yes. Sierra, thank you so much. I love it. All right, here we have some pink little florals. She's got a beautiful stash. So cute. I can add these to my growing collection. Beautiful, look at this. Isn't that precious? I love the green. She said that, and I'm very shocked that she shared this one with me because she says that she has a harder time coming across like greens, although this is like more on the bluish green, but I'm very shocked that she shared some of this with me. This must have been really hard for her to let go of. And then this one, I do remember her specifically asking me like, what are your thoughts on this? And these two together would make such an adorable patchwork journal, would it not? I love this particular blue. And we got some monarchs there. Yes. Cute. Yeah. So pretty. Black flowers there. Very cute. And then she shared strawberry one with me, which I think this feels more like bed sheets, which again she says that she really loves bed sheets. Anything like that. Ooh, how cute. Adorable. Thank you, Sarah. Oh, look at this. This kind of reminds me of one that we've seen below, but except this one's darker. Ah, this one's adorable. This one's gonna be hard to cut up. I can tell this is gonna be one of my favorites. Very pretty, very pretty. Ooh. Is this one? This one feels like textured. Interesting. Really cute. Okay, this one reminds me of like an apron. Like, is it a piece of apron? I love this right here. That could be like for a cover. right there, and or a piece of patchwork. And then this one right here, like that, and that another piece. Oh, it's got a zipper. Might have been a dress. You'll have to let me know, Sierra. And then, oh, this one's cute too. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. So cute. Well, I'm gonna say that about every single one of them, honestly. Ta-da, look at that. Ah, this one feels like a bed sheet as well. We've got softer blues and stuff. These are gonna be, oh wait, pillowcase. Pillowcase or bed sheet, one of the two, because you could see it right here. This would be like, this almost reminds me of like a wallpaper too. You see? Ah! I like this one. I see one that I like here too. Oh, Sierra, this one's so precious. This is one of my favorites too. Definitely, definitely. Oh, this would be cute too. Look at that. That could go really pretty together. Even, I think even the blue. Like that would look, if you wanted to add some brightness to it, that would be so cute because you got some oranges with yellow. Like orangey yellow. I love orangey yellow. This right here is so cute. I love that it's linear. It's so cute. I love it. Reminds me of wallpaper. Oh, look at these. Stinking cute. Yeah, I feel like me and her have a lot of similarities with vintage styled fabrics. Can you hear my breathing? It's starting to increase. I'm weird. How cute. This would be perfect for like, okay, so I'm working like on it's kind of like a sunflowery meets daisy, you know, journal. And I think that this would be cute for the interior because I have yet to put the interior on it. So I think this is what I'm going to use for that. Then, oh, this is carrots or flowers. They kind of look like a carrot flower. Adorable. Love little dainty flowers like this. So precious. Sorry for not doing my nails. I kind of wanted to, but then her package, you know, it couldn't wait, so I had to. Here's another cutie. Adorable. Even this and this could go together too. Or is that too much? Look at this. Oh, and look how like delicate it is. Like you can, it's almost transparent. I love it. I love it. Alright, so here we have some more of these dainty flowers. This is perfect. This is absolutely adorable, Sierra. You did marvelous. Love everything that you sent me. And I will treasure these pieces so very much. They're going to make for... Because both me and her, we love a good patchwork journal. Over at Jen's Junk, we both like her super cute patchworky journals. Adorable. And then of course she shared such a large piece with me of this one, and look how she wrapped it. So cute. I love to use fabrics like this in my journals. It just adds like a delicateness to the journals. So cute. And then I told her that she didn't have to send me this, but that I would buy it, and she chose to gift it to me for my birthday. So thank you so much, Sierra. It is such a huge book. I didn't imagine it being this huge, but I'm sure there's going to be lots and lots of adorable images. Look at this. Oh, and these pages are good. I've noticed that she is a huge fan of like good paper too in books. I know it sounds kind of silly for us to be focusing so much on like the way that paper feels, but something about it, sometimes I won't even get a book if it doesn't feel right to me. Right? Like the pages. And I know it sounds crazy silly, but oh, look at this. This could be cute together too. Oh, these are cute. They're like stationery paper, but super vintage. Look at those envelopes. And then she sent me some, I think some type of like timestamp or ledger-like papers, which she didn't have to do that. I'm not gonna say anything. Shh, be quiet. When she opens hers, she will see it. I've probably already said too much. Ah! Look at oh my goodness! How cute are these? Look. Ah! I'm working on a journal soon, incredibly soon, and these are going to be perfect for it. Like, you have no idea. Oh my gosh. So precious and vintage. I love it. Thank you for sharing those with me. And she did say that she likes to put little, you know, surprises in between the pages, which is, oh, look, we got some more. She knows me well. Yep, she knows that this is going to be for, like, the Daisy sunflower journal. I think those two go together so nicely. They add so much joy to a journal. Those flowers, personally. Look at these cute envelopes. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, so cute with a little fat cupcake. You know what? And I like her big pug eyes. Isn't that cute? I love how big her eyes are. It's funny because, like, I think I like caricatures when they have, like, big heads and little bodies, or like big eyes, kind of like Precious Moments. You know how Precious Moments have, like, big heads, big eyes. Something about it I find so adorable. So cute. This is gonna be a winter Christmassy journal. Beautiful. This is the copyright from, I forgot to check because I was so excited, 1983. Shut up. This book is older than me. Well, guys, that is all. Thank y'all so much for joining me for this Happy Mail birthday unboxing. I had a lot of fun getting to see all the mystery fabrics that Sierra gave me. They're also incredibly precious, and you did a marvelous job picking out the fabrics for me, and I cannot wait to make tons of future journals using these cuties. But that's gonna wrap it up for me, you guys. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.